Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Superset account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Superset account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address join superset.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Superset like this. And guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. But if you have not yet signed up for a Superset account, you can click on the sign up button to go to the sign up procedure of the Superset. With that being said, let's click on login. And from over here guys, you'll be required to enter your email address with which you had created an account on Superset like this. You can also log into your Superset account with your Google or your Facebook account. If you click on either of these buttons, or login page to sign into your Google or Facebook will open, whereas if you log into your respected accounts, you'll be signed into your Superset account with the account you logged into on the from these buttons. And with that being said, let's enter our password guys. But if you have forgotten your password guys, you can always retrieve or reset your Superset account's password from over here where it says the forgot password. And with that being said guys, if after entering email address and your password, simply click on the login button, and then you'll be signed into your Superset account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more video. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.